Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. If you're returning subscribers, I welcome you. Thank you for coming back to watch the video. Please like the video, share and comment. It is very important. Um, Nigerian president went to National Assembly meeting in US. So after that meeting, they decided to have a meeting with some Nigerians. Unfortunately, instead of them to call Nigerians living in US, ordinary Nigerians, people that are living in US that can, ask some questions, they did what they normally do, bringing all those politicians, those that are having, benefiting from the system, gather them in one room and call that Nigerian in diaspora meeting with the president. If you're looking at this video now, just watch very well and tell me if these people that you are seeing in the video looks like people that living in US, or do they look like Nigerian government officials? Because what channel's reporter said is that this is Nigerians in diasporas having meeting, a closed door meeting with president and all that. Just take a good look at them and notice what I'm noticing, because what I can see here are, people that belong to the system, people that are, reaping the wealth and the economy of Nigeria in the name of being a politicians, or they're benefiting in one thing or another. All of them are not Nigerians in diaspora. There's nobody here that I can single-handedly pick and say that this person is just a neutral person that attended the meeting that may have a question to ask.
Biggest heart surgeons anywhere in the world.
It's a small but significant meeting taking place on the sideline of the 78th session of the UN General Assembly. A town hall meeting with Nigerians in the diaspora taking place in New York.
When they return to Nigeria, wants to bring $3 billion.
Organized by the chairperson of the Nigerians in the Diaspora Commission, Mrs. That N9eria, the occasion gave President Bola Tinubu an opportunity to meet with Nigerians who excel in their chosen fields.
On your mandate, we shall stand. On your mandate, on your mandate.
Applauding them for being model citizens, the president thanked them for being good ambassadors. President Tinubu encouraged them to continue to make an impact in their chosen fields, while emphasizing that opportunities now abound in Nigeria.
You can see this man singing for him, praising him, and happily singing for him. Does he look like someone who lives in US, or does he look like one of the politicians or people benefiting from the government? Maybe, to my own understanding, I think this guy cannot, deny he's not an APC member. These are people, the cabals or the government, that are benefiting from the government. But they want you to understand that these people are just ordinary people living in US that attended the meeting with the president. They will always try to lie, to the public. That is the sad part of it.
We need you back home. Nigeria has arrived. Forget the frustration of previous years of leadership.
He said that Nigeria have arrived. Oh my goodness. Arrived from $1 to 1,000 naira, or fuel price, or cost of living in Nigeria. These people really think that they are ruling foolish people, or what? Or maybe you don't see what is happening. He came into government and scattered everything. We were complaining about Buhari's regime. Now the whole country is shattered, and he is here telling you that Nigeria have arrived. Oh my goodness. You see, in Nigeria, what politician believes that is progression is them winning the political post and being the governor, senator, or whatever. That is the progress of the country to them. So when you hear them saying that Nigeria have arrived, like what this man said here, it simply means that he have arrived to be president of the country. But they will exaggerate it, in the public, using that to, buy people's faith, to trust in them. He said that Nigeria have arrived without any proof. Not that he's stupid or he's a moron. Although I cannot deny he's not, but what I'm trying to say by that is that he knows what he wants and what he's doing. But they will pretend, to count their success to become, for the benefit of the public. For him now, Nigeria is doing well. The economy is okay. Everything is nice because he finds himself as the president of the country. Likewise, every other person who is attached to this criminal gang called the leadership of Nigeria, all of them are the same. He said Nigeria have arrived. You ask yourself, arrived from what? This is the same man who fought tooth and nail to put Buhari there, and he was singing praises of Buhari until the last minute when Buhari left office. Now he took over from Buhari and he turned things to become more worse. And he's here telling you that Nigeria have arrived, as if he have initiated a new idea or a new project, a new economic budget, economic progression, or anything. Nothing. Now, this video that you're about to watch now is someone who is in Nigeria showing his frustration and what is going on in his life. And this happened in Lagos State, where this so-called president is jagabanning everything, his own region. This man decided to take his life. As you can see, people were begging him to, to come back and, trying to talk sense to him, but he refused. The end will shock you. This is a country, the same country where this man is in US, telling people his gang that Nigerian has arrived. For him, have arrived. He's talking about is they are now in charge. That is what he meant by Nigerian have arrived. But people that are not aware will think that something good is going to happen, that Nigeria is going to change from bad to good. But unknowingly to them, that is going to change from bad to worst.
Hey, stop! Stop it! Stop it!
Outside the venue, government officials speak on the impact of the speech delivered by President Tinubu at the General Assembly.
He was not only defining what the role Nigeria will continue to play, but was also putting Africa on the world map.
Nigerian politicians are pure comedians. You can hear what this man is saying. This is someone who claimed to be governor of Lagos State, who kpai many Igbos during the election. He kpai many people in Lagos State, especially the Igbo people during the last general election. He committed a lot of nonsense against Igbos. He's here telling you that Tinubu is the one putting Africa on a world map. So Africa was not even on a world map, and we did not notice that. So he's not giving credit to Tinubu for doing that. All of them, one thing they normally do is that they don't remember that they are not in Nigeria. When they travel outside, they will start speaking nonsense and believing that people will buy that garbage. Because in Nigeria, they will do anything and go free. Nobody will question them. You see how he is, stood looking decent, But when he go back to Nigeria now, he will be messing up. All of them speaking here are politicians in Nigeria, deadly one. Some of them, even during the campaign, was fighting dirty fights for Tinubu to be where he is today. We all know them, and if you believe what they're saying, you are on your own. They are all criminals. That is just the truth. That's just the truth. Anyway, I just want to share this with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and share. See you on my next video. Take care.